My name is Cassandra, and I am a scuba diving instructor. I taught a manta ray naturalist course for 5 years, which has made me hypersensitive to the poaching and trafficking of the species. Manta rays have been around for over 150 million years without ever being naturally predated. In addition, they are very anatomically unique creatures. They have dropped their stingers as opposed to their biological relative, the stingray, due to not needing them. They are also what we call ovoviviparous, which means that they have one egg that hatches inside of their body instead of having external eggs that they leave in a reef or a coral head. So they give birth to a live pup. They have the largest brain of any fish in the entire ocean. And in addition to this, they are what we call ramjet filter feeders. This is why they have the large cephalic appendages in front of their mouths. They use these to funnel the water through their gills. Through their gills, they absorb the nutrients that they need and they oxygenate their bodies. Once a manta ray is no longer able to swim, they suffocate. When they are harpooned or trapped in a net, they suffocate to death. Their fate is incredibly grim. The Chinese have developed a market for manta ray gill rakers conveniently on the tail end of the shark finning industry. Gill rakers are being sold as traditional Chinese medicine, a cure-all for anything. There's no medical research backing this at all, period. There is no reason to slay these beautiful and majestic creatures, and the evidence is terrible. The population has been depleted by about 94%. We don't know if we can bring them back. So what can you do? What can we do? There are a couple things, and Wild Aid is a wonderful foundation. Any money that you donate is 100% tax deductible, so I encourage you to go do so now. They stimulate local economies by bringing education to regions where people don't have access to schools and may even be illiterate. They educate them on the compromise of the manta ray population and how wonderful ecotourism is for a local economy. One manta ray can generate up to $1 million for a local industry. So they not only are educating people, but they are also bringing in external parties to fund local economies that have been absolutely butchered by poachers. So go donate now and do something for the manta ray population. They're depending on us. And if you need any more information, please visit one of the following links below. Thank you.